Shaw began their research on agenda setting during the 1968 presidential election between Richard Nixon, Hubert H. Humphrey, and George C. Wallace. Their hypothesis was the mass media set the agenda for each political campaign, influencing the salience of attitudes towards the political issues. They surveyed 100 randomly selected people from the community of Chapel Hill, North Carolina. McCombs and Shaw's intentions were to see if the opinion of the voters matched the content of the major coverage in media at the time. What they found was a strong correlation between what the major media sources had emphasized as major campaign issues and the opinions that voters had formed on those same issues. Those tacos were so bomb.
So good.
Oh my gosh.
You want to watch some news?
Sure.
Hello, and welcome to PBS News Hour. Tonight, we're going to be talking about a topic that will not just affect you, but the entire Earth as a whole, and that is trash in our oceans. At this very moment, there is over 9 million tons of trash in our ocean. That's enough to fill hundreds of stadiums, football stadiums, full of trash. And this trash is broken down to microscopic sizes, which has made it very easy for all types of animals to ingest it, and that is also dangerous for us. Fish eat the microplastic, we eat the fish, we are eating plastic. And that's not just the problem. Think of all the animals being hurt by this. Think of the sea turtles. All the sea turtles out there. There's over 267 species that are affected by this, and 86% of them are sea turtles.
Why are we watching this trash? Nobody watches PBS.
Because they get the real information with real details, and it's actually an important subject.
But nobody watches PBS. We need to turn to a more well-known, credible station.
Welcome to Fox News. What's that smell? That's the trash in our neighborhood dumps. The dumps are being overfilled with trash, and it has become to a point where we have no more room. What's the solution? The team here at Fox has discovered the best way to deal with our trash issue is to put it in the ocean. The trash sinks to the bottom of the ocean where it does not harm marine animals, and it solves the issue of over pollution in our dumps and the smell that is ruining our neighborhoods. Next time you go to the ocean, bring your trash and throw it in.
See, that makes so much more sense, and it's Fox News. It's more credible.
Yeah, but PBS knows what they're talking about.
But it's PBS. Fox News is everywhere. It makes more sense.
Yeah, I guess they are everywhere. You're right.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
But what about our trip to Cancun? I thought we were going to work on our summer buds.
Yeah. Hey, but look at that commercial.
Got summer bod this year? Tired of working out and not getting results? Tired of eating crappy healthy food? Calorie packing is in.
Here at In-N-Out, it is statistically proven the more calories that you pack, the more weight that you lose. Come get a 3x3 today.
This is so amazing.
I can't believe we're
Man.
gonna lose weight.
Like, just give it a few months and results.
ready.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to eat.
Agenda setting theory proposes that media affects society by deciding which topics people should view as important. The theory states that the media does not necessarily tell society what to think, but has a great influence on the issues that society actually thinks about. So in conclusion, it is a widespread issue that is especially present across media outlets to frame the ways in which the public thinks about various issues. The amount of coverage of certain stories over others often determines how important society feels a story is, and unfortunately, the public is largely unaware of this issue.